are going to love the 2008 Dodge Ram Pickup 1500. The Ram 1500 is the most awarded Ram truck ever. Its exterior styling rethinks and outclasses every truck out there. Bred for strength and intelligence, the Ram 1500's towing and cargo hauling capabilities come naturally. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, dual airbags, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, floor mats, aluminum wheels, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, CD player, passenger airbag, trip computer, power door locks, power windows, compass, fog lamps, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.